Say, what are we going to do? Put down Christmas tree. Hi guys, good morning. Ay, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Hi guys, good morning. So, for today, Clark, look, there's a snail outside. Look. Look. There's a snail on the pillar. Good morning, guys! So, for today, alam nyo na guys, ang gagawin namin. Nasa background ang gagawin namin. Yeah! So, today, it's gloomy. So, we decided to put down the Christmas tree! Finally! Woo! Look at that! And it's Chinese New Year niya. Inabot na siya ng Chinese New Year, guys. Nandito pa rin siya. February na, guys. So, it's like 2 months na. Almost 2 months. We will gonna be putting down the... What are we going to do? Christmas tree! Anything else? Roll that... Intro, please!
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
So guys, natum na naman ang mukha ko. So guys, today, look at our Christmas tree. It's not Christmas, it's Chinese New Year. So, ibababa na namin yung... Ano ba yung put down?
Ano ba daw?
Yung tanggalin na natin yung Christmas tree. Put down yun, di ba?
Ano? Didisassemble?
I-disassemble namin yung
Ayaw mong ano?
Christmas tree.
Diretso na natin ng 2021 Christmas.
Huwag ka nga!
Diyan na lang yan. Ganun din eh.
Buha-buhangin, tapos hay fever ka. Hay fever
Ganun
ka.
din eh.
Baliw!
Diretso muna ng Christmas 2021. Nahiya ka pa.
May mga gifts pa kami. Ayun. Ang dami pa guys. Baka ano din namin. Bubuksan din namin yung mga gifts ni Clark. Unboxing namin. Unboxing ba tawag doon?
Nope.
So, meron pa din kaming box doon. Ayun. Baka unbox din ulit namin para isahan na guys. Char, sa akin lang yan. And this, yung mga gifts ng mga titos and titas, ang mga ninong and ninang ni Clarks. Ngayon pa kang bubuksan. Umaabot, sobrang busy. Kasi hindi, ganun talaga kami. Hindi namin binubuksan lahat ng gift ni Clark. Gusto namin ma-enjoy each yung mga gift na binibigay sa kanya. So, ngayon, bubuksan na namin yung iba. Yung iba nabuksan na namin. Thank you, guys! So, kay Ate Jen, salamat sa pag-watch palagi ng aming vlog! So, let's start this. Let's do this! Mabilis lang naman dismantle ba? Disassemble yung Christmas tree. Parang 1, 2, 3. 3 layers lang siya. So, samahan nyo kami sa ating pag-disassemble ng Christmas tree at pag-open ng mga gifts ni Clark. See you guys later. Bye!
Wow! 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 Wow!
To Team Flores. Open it. Thank you. Wow! That is very nice.
What's that?
Wow, thank you. Oh, it's what's that?
What's that?
Pambaon, guys!
Yun, no?
Thank you!
Wow!
What color is this? It's a
Polo shirt.
polo shirt! Yay! But you got a new hat! Look! You got a new hat for ano? For school! Wow! There's a new cup! Wow, it's for espresso! Nice! Yeah, that's your favorite books again!
Okay.
The things I love about. So guys, ubos na yung mga gift. Ito na siya. Ayan, naubos na. Wala na. So, iisa-isahin na namin yung mga bubbles. Mga Christmas balls.
Yun. Natapos din mag-unboxing after 2 years. Nakatenga dun sa baba. Samahan nyo kami na i-disassemble na tong Christmas tree namin. Grabe, tagal lang nandito to. February na. Sobrang busy kasi. Ayun, ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng time na assemblein, na disassemblein tong Christmas tree. Hindi na namin abot yung sa taas. Kung walang hagdan. Dito? Kaya hagdan. Ito na sa taas. Ano nangyari ba? Yeah, it's too high, Clark. Too high. So, yun. Noong binili namin yung Christmas tree, may kasama siyang bag. From Balsam Hill. Okay din eh. Ganda ng bag nila. Malaki yung bag ng Balsam Hill. Balsam Hill, baka naman.
Hilingero eh!
Christmas 2021, baka naman. Balsam Hill. So, bigat nito eh. Likod ko lang, tas angat. Pero medyo mabigat. Tapos kasama na dito yung built-in na Christmas lights niya.
Sponsor?
Kasama na. Parang Christmas ngayon So disassemble natin tong second layer. Kailangan siya i-fold eh.
Yan, i-fold mo na lang.
Fold muna natin.
Meron pang isa ulit.
Ha?
Sige lang. Medyo mabigat lang siya, guys.
Oo, kasi yung quality niya, ganda talaga.
Hindi siya plastic. Plastic siya, guys, pero
High quality.
high quality na plastic. Thank you.
Ito yung stand niya na pa-fold siya. Yan, ganyan na lang siya. And then, let's fold this. Ito yung pinaka-base nung Christmas tree. Napa-fold din siya. Lahat napa-fold. Yan. Ang dami ng snow, oh. Clark, are you helping Daddy to clean those snow? Yeah, help Daddy, okay?
wala na kaming Christmas tree. Maayos na
Finally.
siya. Finally. Ito yun na yung itsura niya. Ah,
May dalawa ay ano na doon.
may armchair na. May armchair na ulit.
One seat,
May,
one sofa.
anong tawag doon yun? May tea time. Tea area. And this is my favorite spot of the house. Sa wakas,
Malinis na yung bahay.
malinis na yung bahay. Lumiwanag na ulit.
Grabe,
Lumiwanag
after
ang
2
buwan.
years, na nakatayo.
Anong 2 years? Last year lang naman.
Akala ko, diretso mo na ng ano eh. Christmas 2021 eh. Balsam
Talaga
Hill,
ba?
baka naman.
Talaga ba?
Yun, nabili namin yung Christmas tree sa Balsam Hill. Sa Lens ka tumingin.
Yes. Okay. So guys, magluluto na ako. We'll see you guys on our next vlog.
Bye!